How to fix Canon printer error code 6000. First, turn off and unplug the printer. Press the power button, unplug the power cord, wait 2 to 3 minutes before continuing. This clears temporary errors and allows the printer to reset. Step 2. Check for paper jams. Open all covers and access panels. Remove any jammed paper carefully. Check deep inside the printer using a flashlight. Look for tiny scraps of paper. Even a small piece of paper can trigger the error 6000. Step 3. Make sure the output tray can open. Check the front of the printer, remove books, papers, or other objects blocking the tray. Ensure the tray can fully open. A blocked output tray is one of the Canon's documented causes of error 6000. Step 4. Check the cartridge carriage. Open the top cover, locate the ink cartridge carriage, check for paper scraps, clips, packaging tape, or other debris, and ensure the carriage can move freely. Carriage jams commonly cause the error 6000. Step 5. Clean the paper feed rollers. Locate the feed rollers, wipe them with a lint-free cloth slightly damped with water, and let them dry completely. Dirty rollers can prevent paper from feeding correctly. Step 6. Reseat the ink cartridges. Remove each cartridge, check for protective tape or debris, and reinstall firmly until it clicks. Improperly seated cartridges have also caused this error. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.